This is Chad Wood, Director of Bands at Staley Middle School in Frisco, Texas, with a presentation on brass terms and intro to sirens. As a reminder, you can download this page and more theory worksheets at staleyband.org/theory. Remember, on these presentations, I'll work through very quickly. You can always pause if you need more time to write, or rewind if you need to hear the information again. As always, the first thing we'll do is write our name at the top, and once you've done that, turn the page over. Now, as we begin learning some more important terms, many of these terms you might have heard already, but it also introduces our next phase of buzzing, which we call sirens. So let's go and get started with our terms. First up, the term is embouchure, and that is what our mouth does to produce pitches when playing your instrument. It can include your lips, tongue, teeth, and muscles in your face. Aperture is the opening in your mouth that air comes out of. High buzz is going to be a firm embouchure, small aperture, and colder air. Low buzz is a relaxed embouchure, big aperture, and warmer air. Now, these are very basic explanations for buzzing. Obviously, your director is going to be spending much more time discussing the different types of buzzing that we do. Articulation is moving your tongue to quickly interrupt the air and placing a small break between notes. Siren is moving your buzz higher and lower, and this will be done slowly while on the mouthpiece. So siren is always mouthpiece. Slur is moving our buzz higher and lower quickly while on the instrument. So siren is mouthpiece, slurring is on the instrument. At the bottom of this page, it gives us our introduction to sirens. As a reminder, you should always have a strong and steady buzz before practicing sirens. Never move at the very beginning. Establish a start, then move. Then you're going to try to start in the middle of your range. Move slowly to make sure your muscles are developing full range of motion. And then never move your head while moving your embouchure. Start small, extend your range every time you pass the middle. Try to record yourself playing. Now, in that big mix of things, what you need to remember is really strong and steady buzz. So go ahead and underline that first. Then underline slowly, because we're going to want to move slowly as we're working on our siren. Now, if you're doing this in 4 beats, beat 1 is going to be at the beginning. Go ahead and draw that box, beat 1. Beat 2 is going to be the low point. 3 is back in the middle, or the same as beat 1. 4 is the high point of your siren. And then 1 repeats, but it also returns back to the middle. So you will have a total of 3 medium buzzes, 1 low, 1 high. Now, if we're going at 60, this is going to be on my trumpet. This is how I would count it. 1, 2, 3. So you'll notice that I'm not moving much right now because this is just the very first time. If you did that with me, you can fill in your first box. And so again, you can start in the middle. Just move slowly down. Back up to the middle again. Up to 4, then back down to 1. Piecing all together. Now, each buzz is going to sound a little different, but make sure that you practice those and don't forget to trace your finger with the line with your finger with the hand that you are not holding your mouthpiece with. Keep practicing and make sure that you guys work on this every single day. Good luck.